No, you can get in that way. Well, that's...
Neat.
I've never stayed any place that did this.
So,
I wonder how they came up with this.
you're welcome, honey.
How much is it for one night?
Well, we put the Grand Royal Suites.
No, but nice.
Well, because in weekdays it's 300 plus. If it's in weekend, 500 plus.
So you pay $300 for one night?
Yep.
That's nice.
We're here! Close, maybe it's going inside. Alright, we're going inside now. Check it out. You can close the garage, yeah. You can close the garage. We have our own garage. Did you know that, guys? Come on. Welcome to my house. There's another door here. And that's the pool.
Oh my God.
Dun, dun.
Cool.
I know. Yeah. You're happy?
Yeah, that's neat. What's over here? Sauna?
So it's a heated pool. We can go swimming
We got
tonight.
sun over here.
I know. That's another surprise, my
Do not
love.
enter when wet. So you go in here first and you get
Yeah.
it in. Wow.
So we're going to check out.
Unique. You got 2 towels.
So we're going to check our room now. See? It's nice.
Oh, look, you got pool lights.
Yep.
You can make whatever color you want.
Yeah. Hurry, I need to check our room.
That's your room. Oops.
Don't close the dim, the light. The lights.
Oh, that's neat.
Let's go. Check our room. So you're happy?
Yeah. I've never been in a place like this before.
So? What's this? Oh, this is the. Oh, this is the. I need
This
lights.
is the apartment.
This is the jacuzzi. We have a jacuzzi in our room, baby.
Wow.
It's
And you can watch
huge.
TV.
Yeah, while we're doing make love. I'm joking.
It's gonna be
Toot toot.
important. It's going to be important to keep the door shut.
We're here. This is our bathroom. Wow, it's a big shower too, guys.
Oh, it's our bathroom too.
I know.
Oh, that's huge. And this is the thing over here.
And we
Oh,
have
and this is the bed.
a coffee table too. And oops, sorry. And our bed. Cool.
Wow.
I love it. I think Happy is happy.
Yeah.
And we have a huge TV here.
I wonder what you ordered for breakfast. They said you.
It's free breakfast.
I know, but you have to tell them what you want, don't you?
That's a good question. I don't know. I just checked it.
Or they just bring you food and that's what you have to eat.
Yeah.
That's neat. I've never been. I mean, it's expensive, but
It's our 4th anniversary.